Okay, good evening to you all. Today is our day 19 of this 3-month data analytics bootcamp. Like I said, this bootcamp will last for about 3 months, and today is day 19. Like always, we start by showing our outlines. That is what we are to cover for the day. So today we will have a recap on what we did on. Sorry, today also I didn't edit this. I need to put the 18 here instead of leaving it 19. I have to save it. So I'm sorry. Yeah, so we need to have a recap on the 18th, and we'll talk about concatenate. That's what we are going to discuss about today. So if you can recall, yesterday we did talk about text to column. I show you how to separate data in single cells into multiple cells that you want. So today, like always, that's what we did yesterday. So today, like always, we'll have a new topic, which is concatenate. So concatenate is a way of a word you can have more synonyms synonyms of it. Sorry, you can call it maybe to put something together, to join something together, amalgamate. You can have a lot of words that are synonymous to this concatenate word. So this is the function that they call it, concatenate. So we are going to, since yesterday we learned how to separate using the text to column, today we are going to learn how to put together. That is how to put two or more cells together. That's what we call concatenate. So that's what we are going to learn today. So let me show my screen, my Excel file, so that we can start. I'm sorry. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, here it is. So if you can see everything, you can see that now we have first name, surname, and other name. That's what we have in the in our Excel file. And let's say we want to put them together to create full name. We want to have a full name column. So we want everything to be a full name. So to do that, we need to apply it. We need to use that concatenate function for us to do that. So how do we do it? We are going to click equal to and write concatenate. In your Excel, if you are using 2016 downwards, that is 16, 13, 10, 7, and 30, you will see concatenate. That's the function. But now they updated it to concat. So it's concat or concatenate. Anyone you use is the same, but this one is what I'm going to use. That's the outdated one, and it will work also, is the same thing. So just write concatenate. Then you click on the first text that you want to join. Then you put comma. Then you click on the second. Now, if I put comma and click on the third, I press enter, it will put everything together, but there is no space between them because I didn't specify space between them. Now I can join them all together. You see, it will put everything together, but it's just going to put them, in one place for me. That's what it's going to create for us. Just put them like this. We don't want that. We want to create it with space. How do we do that? Let's create it again. Concatenate, open bracket, then I click on this, comma, I put double quote. Now I need to create the space, and space is a character. So I need to put double quote space, double quote, comma. That means in between this double quote, like I'm putting a text, or whenever I want to put a character, I put it inside double quote. I've already told you that. So space is part of the character. So I put double quote, and I put space in between them. That means now I have a space between this below, and let me click on another one. So I have below space, the next name. So that's it. So I also have another name, and there has to be space between this name and this name. So I'm going to put comma and create another space and put comma. Then I click on the last name. So if I have multiple cells or multiple data to put together, then I need to keep continue, or I need to continue putting space, then the space, then the next space. And some data that we want to put together, some of them maybe there is no need for space or something like that, you don't need to put space. But if there is a need of space, you need to create the space by yourself for you to do that. So now if I close it and press enter, by default, it's going to create this for me. If I double click, it's going to create everything for us like this. It's going to do this for us. So that means Bello, Ahmad, Hamza, Bello, this, or everything will come like this. We put everything together. And that is something that I want to show you now. After you create this, if you delete this, now, for example, I want to get rid of this, for example, if I delete it, it will, everything will be gone now because I deleted the data. So by this, you need to learn how to copy and paste spatial. Now I need to copy this, copy it, highlight everything, copy it. Then you come to where you want to put it, or you can even paste it in the same cell. I can just click on the first cell that I have here and click on paste spatial, or you click this 1, 2, 3, but I'm going to click this paste spatial, click on paste spatial, then click on values, then you click on OK. And that's all. Now, if I get rid of this, I deleted this, it will not touch my data. My data will remain the way it is. So this is how it is. Kai. Okay, so this is how you can do this. I'm so sorry, please, for that. This is how you can do it. So I show you how to paste this spatial. And whenever you have a data that is connected with a formula, you need to copy it and paste spatially so that you distinct it from the formula. If not, whatever you did, even if it is 1 plus 1, if you didn't save the total somewhere and paste spatially, whenever you touch that 1 or 2, it will affect the total because they are connected. So whatever you did, they are connected. Now, if I didn't do this, maybe I change this, instead of Bello, I put Ahmad, I put Aminu, I put Ahmad. By default, you see, it's going to create this for me. Whatever I did, it will change. You see, when whatever I did, the name is changing. You see, everything is changing. So if I didn't separate this formula with and paste spatial is somewhere, for example, now if I copy it again, let me do it again for you, and let me paste it here. Now I paste it here. So if I touch it here, Bello, Hamza, maybe Omar, for example, now, you see, now it's only changing from here, but the one that I paste spatial, it will not change because I already saved it somewhere, and I can keep doing it like that. So this is how you're going to do this. And this is where exactly we are going to stop today. That's where we are going to stop. All you need, you have a lot to practice, and you have a lot to, try and see what you can do with this. So this is where I'm going to stop. If you have a question, please use my. If you have a question, you can ask. If you don't, then I will just drop them. I'll save the video and drop it for you. Okay, so I think let's call it a day. So today's class is very simple. Yeah, so you need to work with it and learn it. I think we didn't even spend 10 minutes doing this class today. It's not up to 10 minutes. So let's call it a day. So see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Okay, I see someone just text me. Okay, yeah. So I think let's stop here. Some people are just joining and we are done with the class. I have no idea. because this set of bootcamp, I don't, the previous one I was kind of more, it's only three or two of you are new. Some just joined. All the rest are the old people that we did that one with them. But it's okay. Let's meet tomorrow. We are done with the class. Those that just join us now, we are done with the class. I'll drop the video for you. Thank you so much for joining late. See you tomorrow.